When we're buying for a Sydney client or someone from interstate that's purely an investment play, we have a checklist around their expectations on rental yield, what their long-term play is it a 7 to 10 year capital growth play, their risk appetite, is it eventually something that they're going to do a cosmetic update on? So there are a number of things that we work through with them prior to looking for a property, but certainly it's very different from an owner-occ brief. So we're looking at land component, we're understanding, what a 3-bed versus a 4-bed is getting in terms of a rental return, understanding owner-occupier appeal in that particular pocket, given that resale is usually to a family or an owner-occupier in 10, 15 years. So that's important as well. But a lot of the time it is crunching the numbers, looking at the data based on that investor. So very different, very numbers based. And Jasper does a lot of our sourcing, acquisition and inspections for our Sydney client, or Sydney clients, I should say. And you'd probably have some good insights into what they're looking for versus an owner-occupier.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of it comes down to having something that's compliant first and foremost from a rental perspective, something we can get tenants into as soon as possible. And for them, it's also understanding what their long-term goal is. Like, are they going to chop this up? Do they want to put a small residence at the back? So yeah, understanding the permutations that come along with potentially a development side down the track is pretty important as well.
Definitely. What we always like to give our clients optionality. So even if they aren't going to be a developer, we want to find, arguably a corner block that can be chopped up that's got good wide frontage. So you could put a duplex on there so that in the event in 10, 15 years they do look to resell, it appeals to not just an owner-occupier, but also maybe a developer that comes along and does a triplex or a duplex play. So they've got options, they've got an exit strategy should they choose to sell in 10, 15 years. It's appealing to a broader market.